Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see operators in Python programming language. So what operators is? Operators are basically the symbols which used to perform some specific mathematical or logical operation on operands. Operands are variables that may be literals, integers, etc. etc. So let's see what are the different types of operators available in Python. So here are the types of operators available in the Python. The first one is arithmetic operators. Here you can see addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, floor division, and modulus operators. Then we have comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two different operands in the operators. Okay. Then third type of operators is assignment operators. And assignment operators are used to assign the different value to the variables. Then bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to manipulate the bit level operations, that you can manipulate the operands at their bit level or at their binary level. Then logical operators. Usually we do some logical operations in our day-to-day life. If this and this happen, if this or this happen, etc., etc. So such kind of logical operations we can perform in computer world as well, and for this we use these logical operators. Then these two are the special operators available in Python. One is membership operators and other one is identity operators. We will see all this in details in further lectures. So let's start today's lecture with additional operators, or what we can say arithmetic operators. So let's see what are the different arithmetic type of operators are. So first operator is addition operator or additive operator. As per name suggests, it will add the number. Okay, so you can see here I have created a variable a and assigned a value 3, and variable b have assigned a value of 5. So you can see here I have added value of a and value of b together with this plus operator, and this plus operator is basically our additive operators. Here this a and this b are operands and this plus sign is operators. So let's clear the output first and let's print. So now you can see 5 plus 3 is 8. Then the second type of operators we have is this subtraction operators. Okay, second type of operator is subtraction operator. And in the subtraction operator, you can see this, we use this minus sign to subtract the value. And you can see it's minus 2. The third type of arithmetic operator is multiplication operator. And for multiplication operator, we use this asterisk symbol, and it will usually multiply the first operator with the second operator. So let's run this, and you can see 3 into 5 is 15. The fourth arithmetic operator is division operators, and you can see I have assigned a value of 33 to A and assign another value of 5 to B. So now here you can see A divided by B, and this slash is used for division symbol. Okay, so let's run this program. Now you can see we got 6.6. Yes, it is the float value, or it's the float data type. Then we have this modulus operator. This is the interesting operator. What this operator actually do is it will divide the first operand with second operand. Okay, and then it won't return you the quotient. It will return you the remainder of the operation. Okay, so this is the most important operator in the programming world. It's very useful basically. So here you can see A is assigned a value of 33 and B has assigned a value of 5. So A modulus B. So let's divide 33 by 5. So we will get quotient 6 but remainder 3. So let's run this, and you can see we get remainder 3. So modulus operator basically returns us the remainder. Then the another operator is floor division operator. And what this operator do? This operator basically divides the first number with second number and it will return only the integer part of the question. So now you can see here I will do the operation and now you can see 33 divided by 5. Actual answer you can see it's a 6.6 but floor division operator returns only 6 and it's a integer value. We use double slash for floor division. Then the last operator is the exponent operator and the exponent operator is basically double asterisk sign. So you can see I have a and a double asterisk b. What it exactly means? It means a to the power b. So let's run this and now you can see this is a huge number that is 39135393. So this is in this way these are all the arithmetic operators available in Python. The second type of operators available in Python are basically our comparison operators. So I haven't changed this comparison operators. Okay. Now you can see here we can compare different values. So let's see. I have assigned a value a to the 20, value to the a 20 and value to the b is 25. So you can see A is less than B, right? And this is right. So let's try to run this. And now you can see it returns us true. That means A is less than 2. With this operator, we can compare two different operands. In the same way, the greater than symbol is there and it will compare that A is greater than B or not. If it is, then it will return true. But now in our case, you can say A has value 20 and B 25. So it's false because 20 is not greater than 25. Then the third type of operator is less than or equals to. What actually this operator do? It will compare operand A with operand B and it will return true if operand A and B either equal or less than. So let's try to run this. Now you can see here A is less than or equals to B. Here A has value 20 and B has value 20 and they are equal, not less than but equal. So it returns true, and after that you can see A has value 20 and B has value 25. So A is less than 25. In this scenario this expression is true, so it will return true again. Then another type of comparison operator is this greater than or equals to. Okay, greater than or equals to, and in this scenario you can see this greater than and equal sign are compounded. So now here you can see A has value 20, B has 20. So the first result will be true and A has value 20 and B 25, and second result should be false. Now you can see because 20 is not less than 25, that's why the second at the second time it returns false. Then we have equals to operators. With the help of this equal to operator, we can compare the equality of two different operands. So here you can see A has value 25 and B has value 25. So A equals to 25 and you can see if I run this, this returns true. A and B are 25. And what is the result of second print statement? You can see A has value 21 and C has value 21 and D has value 22. So that here it will return C equals to D. Obviously not. That's why it returns false. Then the last comparison operator is not equals to operator. So this not equal to operator is basically the combination of two symbol. First one is the exclamation mark and second one is the equals to sign. So here A has value 20, B has 25. So A is not equals to 25. So obviously first print statement will return false. So let's run this. Now you can see first print statement return false. And here now C is 21 and D is 22. Now they are not equal. 21 is not equals to 22. That's why it will return true. So in this way, in this lecture, we have saw the arithmetic operators in Python and comparison operators in Python. In the next video, we will see the assignment operators and bitwise operators in Python. So if you have any question related to the arithmetic operators and comparison operators, then feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and comment. We will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.